In this video, we're going to take the patterns that we created in Microsoft Visio for carbon fibre decals for M32 and put them into the Cricut Design Space application, which is used to then power up the Cricut cutting machine. So here we are in Design Space. I've opened a new blank project for simplicity, and I'm going to upload the patterns in the SVG file that we created for Microsoft Visio. So here they are. The upload looks pretty good, so we'll save that. We'll take that image and insert it into our blank project. You can see that the two patterns have been imported as a block with a certain amount of space between them. That doesn't really matter. You can see when we go over here to actually make it, the two patterns can be manipulated independently and placed somewhere on the cutting mat to give us the best layout, the most efficient layout.